So here we have like 3 air conditioners at a bank, at a tourist bank. I gotta be careful. This is a bank. This is kind of risky. This Carrier is straight cool. Copeland Emerson Scroll, 2017 3-ton. Has not been running. This bank's closed, so I don't think these are gonna be running. There's a York Alex. That's my first modern York Alex. The logo's missing on there. Oh, this actually has a recip. What recip is this? I'm actually not sure what reciprocating this is. Bristol Benchmark. 2016 2-ton. Then we have an LG inverter right here. Oh, there goes this Carrier. Oh, this also has Gentech motor. Oh, there it is. That one just turned on. Anyways, I was filming this. LG. Right here, these have the strip blades. The serial number is... I guess this thing's from 2018. They don't always list the year they were manufactured. It's LG right here. But yeah. Miracle X Carrier that just turned on. Here's this thing running. It's getting cold already. But yeah. Here are these units right here. These 3. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.